you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am getting ready to head out to my salon suite to do a microlock establishment. Before I tell you a little bit about that though, I just want to say thank you. You know, I appreciate my subscribers so much, so I think that you should be mentioned first in all of my videos because you're so supportive. And I would probably not be doing these videos if it were not for you and your continuous encouragement. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, there's always an open invitation. You can click that subscribe button and that notification bell anytime you like and join the Jean G family. Now, my hair is in 2-strand twists from a previous video where I did an updo. And today I'm going to let those stay in. I just wanted to freshen up that one in the front. I'm going to let them stay in and just pull it back, not too tight, of course. I'm going to take this goodie clip and put it on the back. And then just head on out to do this microlock establishment. Now this one is a little bit challenging because my client has asked me to do some curved or moon shape parting. And I'm going to show you a little bit of that. The curved and moon shape parting in microlocks. So I will see you later. Enjoy your day.